What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. This is Big Zeus. Got my Indo-Raptor in the driveway today, and what am I into, you might ask? See the mailman right there? He just dropped something off that we're going to install on the Raptor. Need a damn muffler on that thing, buddy. I know what you're asking. You're like, so the mailman dropped this off. It's an envelope, it's real thin. Can't be too important of a mod, could it? I wouldn't be making a video about it if it wasn't. If you've got an F-150 Platinum, Limited, F-250, look up overhead, and if you've got those 6 Upfitter switches, then this video is going to pertain to you. You can see where I've made my makeshift little stickers that got me by, but I've just added the wheel lights. Y'all catch this video right here. Once the wheel lights were installed, they're on auxiliary switch number 4. Okay, and if you'll notice, there's like just a space right here. I don't know if you see how close I can get. I happened to find right here on eBay. All right, guy's name is Michael Price. That's his business. All right, so you'll find him on eBay. I purchased these. I'm not getting any kickback, anything like that. So I was just going to take you on this install journey with me today. He basically asks, when you contact him, he's like, what do you want your switches to say? And I thought it was pretty cool. He included a second set free at no extra charge in case you mess up. So I came up with what I wanted them to say, like this. My last 2 are going to be spares for the time being, and we'll go that route. So rock color, that's my colored rock lights, my RGB plus W. Then my fog lamps. Then I've got rock lights that are all white. Then I have my wheel lights, which are colored RGB plus the white. So we're going to label these today, make it look a little bit nicer. We're just going to scrape these off like this, because they were just on there with a little bit of the sticky backing that was on that little homemade job to begin with. So we'll do one at a time. So I spray a little bit of Windex on my rag right here. You never want to spray Windex into switches. So we're just going to wipe them just like that. And I'm going to dry it. All right. You guys can see this is going to be my rock color. So it sort of goes in line with the way I told him. So I just got to thinking, a lot of you might not have that switch panel, and you're like, how does this video benefit me? Well, that guy on eBay does a ton of custom vinyl decals, all kind of stuff. So if you have anything inside that you need vinyl decals, like other switches on the dash or graphics on the side, I mean, they do it all. They do custom vinyl lettering and decals for your windshield, for your cars, your trucks, and your watercraft. So like I said, they don't pay me anything. I don't make commission, kickbacks, anything from them. I just found a reputable service that I could offer to you guys, and hopefully you'll check them out, see what you think. They'll provide you some good vinyl graphics, decals, or whatnot. And if y'all like this video, y'all check out this video. And if you like that video, check this one out. head on over to my channel page. Check it out.
That's a wrap.